Enabling slide to type on your iPhone 16 allows for faster text input by letting you glide your finger across the keyboard instead of tapping individual letters. Here's how it's done. First, swipe up from the bottom of the current display to return to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the Settings app icon. In the Settings menu, scroll to Find and then tap on General. To continue, tap on Keyboard. From the keyboard settings, navigate to the All Keyboard section and find Slide to Type. Finally, toggle Slide to Type switch to turn the feature on or off. When enabled, you input text by sliding your finger from the first letter to each subsequent letter without having to lift it. To test this feature, open any text-based apps like Messages or Notes. Once you're in the text input field, start by placing your finger on the first letter and then slide to each subsequent letter without lifting your finger. Finally, release your finger when finished with the word. The keyboard app will then predict and complete the word for you. With iOS Slide to Text feature, you can type words by smoothly sliding your finger across the keyboard instead of tapping individual keys, making typing faster and more fluid. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.